Welcome, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Subject English. Topic Grammar. Standard 3rd. Myself, Jyoti Kokate. Today, we are going to learn adverbs. Before we start the topic, let's revise what is a verb. A word which tells us what a person is doing is called a verb. Let's see the examples. First one, boys swim in the water. In first sentence, the word swim is an action word. That means a verb. Second example, birds fly in the sky. In the second sentence, you can see the action word that is fly and that is a verb. Now, let's begin with a topic that is adverb. Children, what is an adverb? An adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb. An adverb gives more information in detail about the verb. First, we will learn about an adverb of manner. Adverb of manner tells us how something happens. Let's see the examples with different pictures. Now the example is the sun shines brightly. Here, brightly tells us how the action happens, that is brightly. Describes the action word shines. So, brightly is an adverb of manner in the sentence. Another example, the tortoise walked slowly. In this example, the word slowly tells us how the action happens, that is, slowly. Describes the action word walked. So, slowly is an adverb of manner. Let us look at one more example. We talked quietly in the library. Here, talked is a verb that is an action word, and the word quietly is describing the word talked. So, the word quietly is an adverb as it is describing or giving more information about the verb talked. Now, let's see the adverb of place. An adverb of place always talks about the location where the action of the verb is being carried out. To understand better, let's move to the examples. And the example is, she took the child outside. In this example, outside tells us where the action happens, that is, outside. Describes the action word took. So, outside is an adverb. Another example, they build a house nearby. Here, nearby tells us where the action happens, that is nearby. Describes the action word build. So, nearby is an adverb of place in this sentence. Now, let's see the adverb of time. A word that tells the time of an action is called adverb of time. It answers the question, when is the action carried out? Let us move to the examples. And the example is, they go out to dinner weekly. Here, weekly tells us when the action happens, that is, weekly, and it describes the action word go. So, weekly is an adverb of time in this sentence. And another example is, the postman comes daily. Here, comes is a verb or action word, and the daily describing or giving more information about the action, that is comes. So, daily is an adverb in this sentence. Children, always remember, an adverb tells how, where, or when an action happens. Sometimes we add ly to an adjective to get an adverb. And the example is, Pia dresses elegantly. Here, elegantly, an adverb, describes the verb dresses. Children, let's see one more example. Urvi danced beautifully. Here, danced is a verb, that is an action word, and the word beautifully is describing the word dance. So, the word beautifully is an adverb as it is describing or giving more information about the verb danced. Now, it's exercise time. Children, look at the pictures and make sentences by using the adverbs and underline the verb and circle the adverb. One example is done for you. The sentence is, the girl holds Teddy tightly. In this sentence, you can see I have underlined the verb, that is holds, and I have circled the adverb, that is tightly. So, same way you have to make sentences. And the second sentence is, the turtles walks slowly. Children, you can see in this sentence I have underlined the verb, that is walks, and I have circled the adverb, that is slowly. So, you also have to use suitable adverbs to make the sentences. Here, one more example for you. My brother plays the chess cleverly. Children, you can see I have circled the adverb, that is cleverly, and underline the verb, that is plays. So, you will use suitable adverb to make the sentences. Use adverbs from the box to complete each sentences. The words in the box: eagerly, brightly, yesterday, outside, sweetly. Number 1. The stars shined dash in the sky. And the answer is, the stars shine brightly in the sky. Number 2. Mary smiled dash for the camera. And the answer is, Mary smiled sweetly for the camera. Number 3. We went to school dash. And the answer is, we went to school yesterday. Number 4. Tom plays football dash. And the answer is Tom plays football outside. Number 5. The girl dash licked her ice cream cone. And the answer is the girl eagerly licked her ice cream cone. Children, now it's a homework time. Write sentences by using the following adverbs. Number 1, heavily. Number 2, deeply. Number 3, carefully. Number 4, near. Number 5, inside. Children, in this slide, you have to complete the crossword puzzle using adverbs. So, words are given in the box for your reference. Thank you, my dear children.